Welcome to HSK Level 1, Lesson 1. This chapter is called 我叫大伟. My name is David. So today I'm going to teach you numbers. So 1 is yi, 2 is er or liang. So liang you can say in two ways. Uh, Basically when you are saying the time or when you're buying or selling the product. So you use liang. Make sure you don't say "er" when you are telling the time or buying or selling the quantity. 3 is san, 4 is si, 5 is wu, 6 is liu, 7 is qi, 8 is ba, 9 is jiu, 10 is shi. So make sure you should know how to pronounce and know how to write the vocabularies. So when you're practicing, if you want to be fluent, you should be like 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. So let's get to the country. As you know, China is 中国, China. So in China, I've seen a lot of people from this country. So if your country is not over here, make sure you go to the Google Translate. So Japan is 日本, Korea is 韩国, Pakistan is Pakistan, America is 美国, Thailand is 泰国, Nigeria is 那基利亚, Russia is 俄国, Canada is 加拿大, England is 英国. Make sure you know how to pronounce this country because a lot of people are from this country. You'll find a lot of people from in China from this type of country people. So let's get to the basic vocabularies. You, ni. So actually that these two both mean the same you, but there's a slightly big difference. So nin is for professional people. For example, uh, when uh, when calling a teacher or your boss or a president, you use nin. But for ni you can use for anyone, your friend, your family members, yeah, or for unknown people. So number 2 is I, me, 我, I. Number 3 is good, 好. Number 4 is be, 是. 5 is which, 哪. 6 is country, 我. 7 people, 人. 8 is call, 叫. 9 is what, 什么. So as you can see, this is the light tone, so you should pronounce quickly and lightly. Number 10 is name, 名字. Number 11 is this, 这. Friend is 朋友. Surname, 贵姓. 14, live, 住. Where, 哪儿. So as you can see, which is 哪 and where is 哪儿. 16 number, how. 17 building, law. 18 he, him, 他. 19 overseas students, 留学生. So I know a lot of in China are either overseas students or they are working as English teacher, or the third one is travelers. 20 also, yeah. More vocabularies with 那个. 22 room, 房间. So in this chapter I'm gonna use 4 characters: David, Takahashi, Ali, and Emonula. So 23 Da Wei, and he's from America. Takahashi Gaoqiao, he's from Japan. He's from Pakistan. Amanullah Iman she's from Nigeria. So let's get to sentence. And you have seen this all the vocabularies. So this one is for basic sentence. It was gonna help you when you're gonna introduce yourself. One is hello, 你好. So when you meet up people, you say hello, 你好. So number two is where are you from or which country you're from. 你是哪国人? Where are you from or which country you're from? So you say 你是哪国人? And then in reply you say I'm from, and you 我 is me, 来自 is from, and then this is your country. So if you're from America, you say 我来自美国. If you're from England, you say 我来自英国. If you're from Japan, you say 我来自日本. And 你呢 is and you. 你 is you, and this is the modal word 呢. So 你呢, where are you from? And you. So or when you start, you can say what is your name? 你叫什么名字? What is your name? And then you say 我叫 my name is, and then whatever your name is. My name is Porus, so I would say 我叫 Porus, or you can use the four characters 我叫大为, 我叫高桥, 我叫阿里, 我叫伊曼牛二. So my name is David, Ali, Emanuela, or Takashi. This is my Chinese friend. This is this is 我 my. The is the modal word. 我的中国朋友. 中国 is China. 朋友 is friend. 这是我的中国朋友. This is my Chinese friend. What is your family name? So in China, the first name is family name, and then the next two is their name. So 您, so you see, when using a professionally, you use 您, like you're asking his family name, so you use 您. 您贵姓, 贵姓 is family name, and my family name is Chen. 我姓, you see the 姓, 我 is me, and 姓 is family name. Chen is his family name. So 我姓陈. So number 9, I live in the overseas students building 2. I also 住 live at 在 is at 留学生楼. 留学生 is overseas student, 楼 is building. So 我也住在留学生楼. So I live in the overseas student building too. And then you will ask, which room do you live in? 你 is you, 住在 live at 那个 is which, 房间 is room. So which room do you live in? 你住在那个房间. So which room do you live in? So let's get to the dialogue. Don't worry if you see there's no English, because there's a dialogue 1 transcript. So yeah, so there are 3 dialogues. So Gaoche, Japanese guy, Takahashi, and Ali from Pakistan, Ali. So in dialogue 1, there's only Gaoche and Ali. As you say, can see Takahashi say 你好. 你好 is hello. And then Ali replied 你好, hello, hello. And Takahashi asks 你是哪国人? Do you know what this means? 你 is you, 是 is, and then 哪 is which, 我 is country, ren is people. So 你是哪国人 is where are you from? And he said 我是 I am 巴基斯坦人. I'm from Pakistan. 你呢? And you? And Coach replied, 我是 I am 日本. 日本 is Japan. 人 is people. For Japanese, I'm from Japan. And then he say, 你叫什么名字? What is your name? You can see, 你叫什么名字 is 你 is you, 叫 is called, 什么 is what? Name. So what is your name? And then 高桥 replied, 我叫高桥. 我 is me, 叫 is called, 高桥 is his name, Takahashi, and then 你呢 is and you. And then Ali replied, 我叫 I am Ali. I'm Ali. You can see, hello, where are you from? I'm from Pakistan. And you? And then Takashi replied, I'm from Japan. And Ali say, what is your name? And Takashi, my name is Takahashi. And you? And Ali, my name is Ali. This is the way how you can introduce yourself or start the conversation. Let's get dialogue 2. And then, so Ali said, 高桥. 高桥 is Takahashi. Ni hao is hello. As you can see. And then Gao replied, 你好. 你好 is hello. Ali. Ali is this guy. And then he said, 这是 this is 我的 my 美国朋友. 美国 is America. 朋友 is friend. So 你好 Ali, 这是我的美国朋友. Hello Ali, this is my American friend. So as you can know, Ali, American friend is Dawei. Ali is 你好 hello, 我是 Ali. I am Ali. 你 you 叫 call 什么 what 名字 name, what is your name? Then David replied, 我 I 叫 called 大卫 my name is 大卫. And Ali replied, 你住 so 你 is you, 住 is where, 住在 where, 哪里 where do you live? And 大卫 replied, 我住在 I live fifth number building. 5号 how is number, 楼 is building. 我住在5号楼. As you can see, where do you live? I live in building number 5. Let's get to dialogue number 3. Don't worry, I know it's a lot, but yeah. And then Ali is like, 姨满女儿. You know who's 姨满女儿? It's Emanuela. And then he said, 这是 is this 我的 my 朋友高桥. So Ali is introducing Emanuela, telling Emanuela that he have a friend Gao Qiao. And then Emanuela say, 你好 hello, 我是 I am 姨曼纽尔 I am Emanuela. 你是日本人吗? Are you Japanese? 高桥 say, 是的 is yes. 我是 is I am 日本人 I am Japanese. And then Emmanuel said, 你住在哪里? 你住在哪里 is where do you live? And then Coach said, 我住在 I live in 留学生楼. I live in the overseas building. And then Emmanuel said, 我也 is also 我 is me. I also 住在 live 那栋楼. So 那 is that. 栋 is the classifier for the building. 栋 is classifier for the building. Building is low. 我住在那栋楼里. So said I live I live in that building too. And 您住在哪个房间? So Nin is Emmanuel doesn't know him very well, so he usually Nin as a respect. And then 你住在哪个房间? Nin is you 住在 live 那个 which 房间 room. Which room do you live in? And then Gautier said 我住在 I live in 6、1、9、10. is room. So 6 is 6, 1 is 1, 9 is 9. So she said I live in room 619. And Emmanuel said 我住在 I live in 3 is 3, 2 is 2, 0, so I didn't taught you 0, so in 0 you have is 0, 10 is room, and I live in room 320. Make sure you guys know how to pronounce and write this word, and keep practicing with your friend, and it will be alright. Thank you for listening. I hope you learn a lot from me.